Good morning and welcome to Review with a Brew Point of View, the Genesis GV70. Powered by a 2.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and it's got all-wheel drive, and it can differentiate between giving it, say, 100% at the rear and 50-50 and so on and so on. It's also got an electronic limited slip differential. It delivers around 300 brake horsepower and pulls 0 to 60 in around 6 seconds. And dependent on the trim level you go for, the exterior styling could change. For example, we have the Sport line. You can also get a premium line and a luxury line. Now, believe it or not, this starts at around 40 grand. Yeah, we've got lots of different packs on ours, so it actually retails for closer to 53. But what you get for that money, whew, I mean, it's got striking looks anyway. But Genesis has to appeal to premium car buyers in the UK, and that's no easy task. Automatic, LED, and they do all types of things with beam patterns. 360 camera and lots of safety. Everything from AEB to collision detection to, I think it's got some kind of system that swerves as well if it detects something coming into the path. Lane keep assist and all manner of things. Ooh, it's getting a bit chilly here on our side shore today, I tell you. 19-inch wheels, and yeah, I must have to agree with you, they do look a little bit small, but you can get 21s. The thing about the Sport line is it takes classic chrome and makes it darker, and then puts lots of black accents as well. The one thing that stands out to me about this car is the beautiful body lines. You see this radical sculpture on a lot of vehicles, and this is just smooth. It's like sports car, supercar. Twin exhausts, and it does sound rather nice. Yes, it does pump sound into the cabin, but you expect that in today's world. It has a fantastic ride, smooth 8-speed gearbox, and likely it's the one out of the Tucson and the Sorento. So if you've driven either of those, you'll know how good that box is. It's seamless. Driving modes, you've got Sport, you've got Sport Plus, you've got Comfort, and you've got Eco. Put it in Sport Plus, and my word, you unleash an animal. When you start braking, it takes the revs up to about 4,000, so you can come out of it at the peak of the turbo. Just look at the interior. This is dubbed the Baby Bentayga, and it's quite easy to see why. You can recline your rear seats, got a pull-down armrest. And if you see that panel there, that illuminates. Tri-zone climate control. The one thing that is missing is heated rear seats. The cabin, my word. Luxurious, premium materials left, right and centre that are just plush. Just look at this. Yeah, not everybody's going to go for red, but I think it works very well, especially in the Sport line. Another addition, you put it in sport mode and the bolsters tighten like the Kia Stinger GT. Now you can see it's a fully electric seat with memory, but there's also lumbar and massage. But as part of a European initiative, it's there to keep your back healthy on long journeys. How cool is that? 3D instrument cluster, so you don't need glasses, it just makes it look a bit depthier. Look at the size of the infotainment. And a gear shifter, it's the kind of thing that you find in an electric car, but it works very well in the Genesis models. I've driven a number of the cars now, and it's just simplicity. You operate the media system using that dial there, and that's the climate control. Everything just has an air of quality to it. Switch gear, materials, lots of room as well. Even when you look at the pedals, they're illuminated and they've got little bits of styling on. At 6'3", I find it comfortable, and I've got lots of adjustment in the seat. It's set up for me at 6'3", and yeah, I think you'll agree, decent bit of leg room there. Let's have a look in the boot. One thing to notice, the handbrake is actually here, like on a Mercedes-Benz. Power tailgate, and once open, look at that. Even in the boot, all this good quality, solid. And there's your load cover. Quite easily get a mountain bike in there with the seats down. And decent size for shopping and family holidays. It's not the deepest boot, but it works really well, even with the seats reclined fully.